TikTok Ad Manager setup. How to register on TikTok Ad Manager. Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can register your business on the TikTok Ad Manager platform. So this is the first page that you're going to get to, and it is getstarted.tiktok.com, as you can see right over here. And then what you're going to do is on the top right hand side, you are going to log in or sign up. So if you haven't already got a TikTok account, you're going to have to sign up. If you do, you can log in. Right, so once you've logged in, this is the page that you're going to get to, and it's going to ask you to enter some details of your business right over here. So we got your business name is the first thing, and then the industry that your business is in, your country or region, and then we are working with a currency, and also we need a time zone and a phone number. And when you're done, you're going to tap on the agreeing to the commercial terms of service and also the TikTok advertising terms and TikTok payment terms. Once you've done that, you're going to go on and click on continue. Then the next page that you are faced with, you will have to review and accept the anti-discrimination ad policy. You can go ahead and you can read through that. I do suggest that you read through it and you are familiar with it, just because with that additional information you will have a better understanding. Then right at the bottom, you can just select that you've reviewed and you would abide by the TikTok anti-discrimination ad policy and the applicable laws, and you can also agree to I will not use TikTok advertising for any wrongfully discriminating practices, and we're going to hit accept. Now once we've done that, the next step to getting towards our ads manager setup is setting up our billing information. So the first thing you want to do is select your state or province, and then you're going to choose your payment method. So if you're unfamiliar, the payment method is either an automatic or a manual payment. So with the automatic payment, you can link a card to your account and set up automatic payments on reoccurring billing dates. That is great. If you have reached your threshold, you can then have that set up like that. Then you must also note that you can still make payments separately, which will be manual payments if you choose this feature. Then if you're going to be doing manual payments, it's completely manual, and it is manually add balances before running your ads, and any charges will be deducted from your account balance. So depending on which one you prefer here, you can just go ahead and select the one that you are in favor of, and then you are going to tap on the go to ads manager. The next page you will be faced with is the choice to choose the way you create your ads. So the first experience is a simplified mode, and if you have a look here, it says create a campaign in less than 5 minutes. It is perfect for advertisers who want to spend less time and effort on creating campaigns. However, over here there is a custom mode. This does give you full control over your ads. It's designed for people who need to set more complex configurations, and this will take more time, but you do have more control over this. So what we're going to do is we're going to tap don't show this page again, and then we're going to tap on the custom mode. So right over here you get to your dashboard, where you actually get to create your campaign, your ad groups, and your ad. So over here you have your advertising objective, and if you're unfamiliar, over here it says choose the best advertising objective based on your campaign goals. If you need to learn more, you can just tap on learn more. So if you are wanting to reach more people, so show your ad to the maximum number of people, you will go ahead and tap on the reach over here. If you're going down to the traffic, you want to send more people to a destination on your website or your app, or you want to get more video views, or if you want more community interactions, this is somewhere that you can select. Then you've got the conversion section, where you can either get more people to install and take desired actions in your app, which is cost effective, and then also you can collect leads from your business, and you can also drive website conversions. So this drives valuable action on your website. Now depending on what you prefer right over here, you get to choose whatever it is that you'd like. Once you are done, you're going to go ahead to the bottom right hand side and you're going to tap on continue. So you can now go down and you can see that there is some more settings. So you can go campaign name, and you can name this whatever it is you'd like. And then there's a campaign budget optimization. So this automatically optimizes your budget allocation. This means you'll have some limitations on your bid strategy and your optimization goal. So we can select this on or off, but for now we are going to just leave it exactly the way it is. And you can also set your campaign budget right over here. So if you have a lifetime budget, you can put it in over here. But for now I'm going to leave that off because I do not want a lifetime budget. I would just like a more controllable budget, which is smaller, and I can distribute it over the time period that I choose now with a limit. So once you're done with that, you can go ahead and you can tap on the continue on the bottom right hand side of the screen. Over here on the next page, you now get to add a group name. So we're just going to do add group 1, and that's fine. I just want to capitalize that. That's great. Then we're having a look at placement, and obviously we're going to place it on TikTok. That's what we're here for. There are a few other options. There's some advanced settings. So it says we recommend keeping user comments on to help your ads achieve more impressions and conversions, right? So this is great. We're going to leave this on. That's great. We also allow the video to be downloaded, so really that depends on you. I would like to keep that off. And then also video sharing, that's great because that means people can share it, but they don't necessarily have access to taking it off of their device. So that is great. And as we're going down now, we have our target. So our targeting, basically this is like who it is that you want to actually appeal to. So going down here, you have your audience, which you can enter in over here. If you don't have any saved audiences, this will be empty, as you see. But if you do have a saved audience, if you've run an ad before on TikTok or on Facebook, then or on Instagram, you'll be able to see that there. So your demographics as well, this is important. So if you're providing a service where you don't actually need to be in the same vicinity as your customer, then you can pretty much broaden your location. But if it's a service or a product that you need to deliver, you need to make sure that you are advertising to a group of people that are in a region you can reach. Then having a look at the gender, you can either target males or females. I'm going to leave it all for now. And then your age group. Now, if you are unfamiliar with who your target audience is, you can just say all, but it's pretty easy to know more or less who you're appealing to. Then having a look at languages, of course, we want to go in with a language that obviously we communicate in. So whatever that language is, you can go ahead and tap that in there. And then the spending power. So it says high spending users typically spend more on purchases than the average user. So I mean, you can either toggle this on or off. For me, I'm going to leave it as all. That's fine exactly the way it is. Going down now to your audience, you can include or select certain types of audience members. So you can custom, you can lookalike it. Basically, this is the type of people or the type of demographic that you're actually looking at when you are posting your ad. You can also select who you wish to exclude from this group. And then the interests and behaviors, it says define your users by selecting creator, video, and hashtag interactions and interests. So you can go ahead and you can type in here or choose whatever you'd like to. For now, I'm going to leave this blank, and then we can choose our device. Right, so right over here, this is great because you get to choose who and what it is that you are actually advertising on. So anybody that's using an iOS operating system or an Android, you can specify whether you want your ads only to go to them, and then you can just say all if you'd like. I'm going to leave that as all, and then we have the operating system version. I'm going to leave this as all as well. Also, our device model, we can choose that, and really for now I'm going to leave it at all, just for the sake of the video that I'm making right now for everyone to know how to create this ads manager. The connection type as well, I mean, having a look at all of these options over here, you're pretty much defining a very specific type of person, and you may be really narrowing your audience down, which is not always a bad thing. it could be a better thing, because your ads will go out to people that will see your business as a more appealing business. Having a look also at carriers, you can have a look at different carriers, and then internet service providers. Then having a look at the device price, you can have a specific range, but we're going to leave it at any price right now. Now, this is an audience that you have created, and what you can do now is you can tap on Save New Audience. Going down now at the content exclusions, you have an inventory filter. This is where basically you can choose specific locations and placements, and you can contact your TikTok sales representative for more information if you do have one. For now, we're going to pass by this, and we're going to have a look at our budget as well as our ad scheduling. So we're going to work on a daily budget, not on a lifetime budget for now. And a daily budget is great because that means you can sort of micromanage what you're doing here. So we can go ahead and we can say 100, and then you can start running your ad. You have to select a specific time, and you can also set an end time over here. And once you have sort of defined that, we can do an all day or a specific time of the day. We're going to leave it exactly the way it is, and then we're going to go bidding and optimization. So the reach over here is, it shows your ad to the maximum number of people, right? So that's what we're actually looking for here. Then your frequency cap, that is selecting an option to control how often people see your ad based on your objectives. If you choose to set custom frequency caps, you can manually balance the trade-offs between how often your ad is seen and how many people see it. So you can show the ad to no more than 3 times every 7 days, or you can show ads no more than once a day, or you can customize this altogether. As you can see here, you can really play around with the customization. What we're going to do now, we're going to just leave it for now on the show ads no more than 3 times every 7 days. Then the bid control over here, it keeps your average cost around or lower than your bid, which is great. So we're going to put in a bid over here, and that is a rand value, or a whatever currency you're using, whatever currency you're working in, divided by your 1000 impressions. So we're going to leave this out for now, and then we're going to tap on advanced settings, and you can see here there's a billing event, and this determines when you pay for your ad. And then the delivery type, your choice of ad delivery type determines how your budget and ads are spent and distributed within 24 hours. So that's fine. If you want to learn more about that, you can go ahead and you can do so. But right now, what we're going to do is we're going to tap on next on the bottom right hand side of the screen. Going over now to the next page, you're going to tap on the ad name over here, and you can name this pretty much whatever you want. Right now, by default, it is the date and the time, and then you can use a TikTok account to deliver Spark ads. We're not going to toggle that on for now, that's fine. Also, then having a look at your identity, it says deliver your ads with a custom profile image and display name. So we're going to enter this in. You can do so, or you can use the account that you're currently using. And then you have your ad details. So the ad format is either a single video, and this allows you to create an ad with one video or multiple images that will be put in as a video. Then you have the ad creative, which allows you to upload or create right here, and then you can add your text over here, and then you can add a call to action, which basically allows you to choose where you want to direct your customers who engage with your ads. And that's awesome. A call to action always solidifies an ad. And then you can create interactive add-ons. This basically means, as you can see the example here, it improves performance by adding a card, sticker, or premium add-on such as interactive gestures or a pop-up showcase to your ad. So as you can see here, that's what it will look like. You can either create one or you can import it from your library. Having a look now at the destination, so now you can put in your Instagram page and your website if you want to direct your reach to any specific website. Then you have to check this box, and then you have the tracking. which is optional. You can see the website events, app events, offline events, third-party tracking, and a click tracking URL. Once you have sort of done all of this over here, you will see on the right-hand side, this is what your ad will start looking like. Of course, I haven't added any information over here, but this is basically what your ad will start looking like. You will start seeing a preview here, as well as this over here. This is what that actually looks like. And once you are done with all of this, you can go ahead and you can tap on the submit button, or you can save it as a draft, and you can just exit over there. So what I'm going to do for now, I'm going to just tap on save as a draft, and right here from this ads manager, you can manage your campaign. There's a bunch of tools here, and you can also check out all your analytics. So everything can be done in this TikTok Ads Manager. It's a fantastic app, and you can pretty much run all your ads and do whatever you need right from here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave us a like. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, show your support, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers for now.